Hi and welcome to another instrument choice support video. In this video, we'll demonstrate how to set up and take measurements on the Mini Environmental Quality Advanced Meter, the IC-850027. To get started, install the included button cell battery. Use a small coin to open the rear battery cover. A 10-cent coin works well. Insert the battery, observing the polarity, then replace the cover and lock into place. Press the power button to turn the meter on. Press and hold the hold button to move through the available measurement units. These are PT, this is the PT temperature, this is optional. AN is for an anemometer, this is air velocity and temperature. Air FL, this is airflow. Chill, this is wind chill. RH, this is relative humidity and temperature. DP is dew point temperature. ET is wet bulb temperature. Heat is heat index. Light is light. Bar is barometric pressure, and high is altitude. To select any of the units, simply stop pressing hold. You can select the desired scales for each of the measurement screens. These are the available units for each parameter. To change, be on the parameter screen you wish to adjust, then with the power on, press REC for more than 3 seconds. The display will show unit. Release REC, then press the power button to scroll through the available scales. After the desired scale is selected, press REC to save as a default. The record function will record and display the maximum and minimum readings. To start the record function, press REC once. The REC symbol will appear on the display. Once on the display, press REC once and the max symbol will appear on the display, along with the current maximum value. Press REC again, the min symbol will appear on the display, along with the current minimum value. At any time, you can clear the recorded maximum and minimum values from the display by pressing hold once. The max min symbols and their readings will disappear from the display. The meter will return to the recording function and continue recording. To exit recording function, press the REC button for more than 2 seconds. Let's take some measurements. We are already in the anemometer, air velocity temperature, so we'll start here. Heading outside, we can see the temperature begins to drop as the meter quickly adjusts to the new environment. Facing the anemometer towards the source of the wind and pressing record allows us to measure a minimum and maximum value. After giving the meter around 10 minutes to adjust, we can view a range of parameters by pressing the hold button and scrolling through the measurement parameters. These include wind chill, relative humidity, dew point, wet bulb temperature, and heat index. Pressing hold again moves us onto light. On this screen, the meter intelligently rotates the LCD screen so the light sensor is at the top. This eliminates the risk of the user accidentally covering it when reading from the screen. As we adjust the light, you can see the meter instantly react and give an updated lux reading. And last of all, airflow. By holding this up to a vent, you can see your measurement reading in cubic meters per minute, or cubic feet per minute. And that's how versatile yet simple it is to use the IC-850027 Mini Environmental Quality Advanced Meter. If you would like more information on this meter, speak with an instrument choice scientist. Details are in the description. We hope that you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.